Welcome to part 2 of my gains maxing series. Today we're going to talk about mechanical tension. Mechanical tension is just a pulling force in the muscle, and it can either be active or passive. To stimulate hypertrophy, the muscle fibers have to be activated to experience active mechanical tension. And the activation of muscle fibers is determined by the degrees of multi-unit recruitment. The more multi-unit recruitment, the more of the largest fibers will become activated, thus experiencing active mechanical tension to stimulate growth. So how can we maximize mechanical tension and apply it to our training? Number 1, training close enough to failure. As you're closer to momentary muscular failure, more high threshold motor units have to be recruited to generate enough force. This is also manifested by the inevitable slowdown of concentric speed as seen in the force-velocity relationship. Number 2, decreasing perception of effort. When you reach momentary muscular failure, the reason you fail is because you have reached the highest tolerable perception of effort. Therefore, motor unit recruitment is already maxed out. To increase motor unit recruitment, on the other hand, you want to minimize the perception of effort coming from other muscles that you're not training. One example of this is to choose more stable exercise over less stable ones, because it reduces the stability and coordination demand from other accessory muscles, diverting central motor command, aka higher degrees of effort, to the targeted muscle you're training. Number 3, having adequate rest in between sets. Shortly after a hard set, the afferent feedback from the muscle to the supraspinal areas will decrease the output from the primary motor cortex, leading to a reduced motor unit recruitment. Besides, peripherally in the muscles, accumulation of calcium ions, inorganic phosphate from the phosphocreatine, extracellular potassium, etc. can all contribute to the decreased force production acutely after a hard set. Generally, resting for 2 to 3 minutes should allow you to be physically and mentally prepared for the next set, but feel free to rest for longer if that's what it takes. Hope you have a great day.